Struggling with your Samsung TV showing HDMI no signal? Here are 6 methods to fix the issue. Step 1. Check HDMI cable and ports. Ensure both ends of the HDMI cable are securely connected. Try using a different HDMI cable or switching ports on your TV. Step 2. Select the correct HDMI input. Press the Source or Input button on your TV remote and cycle through the options to select the correct HDMI input. Step 3. Restart your devices. Unplug your TV and HDMI device for a few minutes. Plug them back in and power them on. This can reset the connection. Step 4. Update firmware. Make sure your TV's firmware is up to date. Check the Samsung website or use the TV settings menu to look for updates. Step 5. Check for device compatibility. Ensure the HDMI device you're connecting is compatible with your Samsung TV. Some older devices might need special settings or adapters. Step 6. Adjust resolution settings. Sometimes the TV and device resolutions don't match. Change the resolution settings on your HDMI device to match your TV's supported resolutions. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Samsung support for further assistance.